Okay, so today we're going to be looking at conditional formatting. And if we remember from our PowerPoint, the first three that I'm going to show you are these, which is data bars, color scales, and icon sets. So watch carefully. I've got this spreadsheet, okay? And this spreadsheet has got my customers, the data they're going on a holiday, what did they rate their booking. Can you not interrupt, please? What type of transport they used, what did they rate their transport, did they recommend a friend, and how much they paid for their holiday. So I made this data up, okay? And I'm going to put some conditional formatting. So watch carefully what I do. I'm going to highlight the column that I want the conditional formatting to take place. So at the moment, I want to do conditional formatting to this particular column. So I'm going to go to conditional formatting, and I'm going to first do data bars. Can you see data bars?
Yes.
And I can choose different colors. So I'll go with, for example, this one. Now watch carefully what I do. If I change this booking rating to 9 and press enter, what happened? It changed color. So if this one was 10 and it became 1, can you see? Right, stand at the back. I'm making a recording here. I know what I'll be doing with you in a moment. So this is called data bars. Okay? Why do you think it's a good idea to use data bars? Why can't I just have the numbers? Sarah?
You could use data bars to because it's easier for you to see
Visually, yes? Visually you can see. Okay, next one, I'm going to do transport rating, and this time I'm going to use color scales. So watch carefully. I highlighted color scales, and you can use different color scales. Okay, now what happens with these color scales is I want green to be at the top, so I'm going to do that one. So can you see wherever it's a high rating, it's a green. Wherever it's average rating, it's like an orangish and then yellow. So for example, if this was to change to 10, can you see it becomes green automatically? So, and if you change it to 1, can you see it becomes red?
Yeah.
Okay, yes. This one's called color scales. Okay, color scales. Now, I'm going to show you this one. Highlight the cells, and this time I'm going to show you icon sets. Can you see icon sets?
Yeah.
And it has arrows, or you can do like shapes as well. And what do you think if I change this to 1? Can you see it's become a red arrow down?
Yeah.
But if I change it to 10, can you see it becomes a green arrow up?
Yeah.
So that's icon sets. Yes? Which one? This one.
Yeah. Why did it go down like that way? Because 10 was highest and then
10 was highest, so it's green upwards, and red is 1, so it's low, so it's going down. Okay? And if I did, for example, 3, still low, 4, still low, 5, still low, 6.
Oh, what?
That's strange.
Very strange.
It goes up after 7.
Oh,
okay.
This is go after
Yeah.
6.
Well, it depends. You might not want to use this. You might want to use shapes. Can you see here?
Yes.
Shapes. Yeah? Right. Now, the last one that I'm going to show you is cell rules. This one's a bit difficult, but you can still do it. I'm going to highlight this, the price, and I'm going to do conditional formatting. Can you see it says highlight cell rules?
Yeah.
And I'm going to say if it's greater than, can you see greater than?
Yeah.
If it's greater than 500, I want it to change to a green color, like that will show that someone's paid a lot of money for their holiday. So I'm going to go here, custom format, and I want it to change to fill to green. Okay, so can you see wherever someone paid more than 500, it turns to green?
Yeah.
What if this one became 600? Can you see it changes to green?
Yeah.
And what if this was 200? Can you see it goes back to white?
Yeah.
Right, I can do another thing. Watch this. Highlight. So I've done one for 500, and the same cells I can do less than 400, and I want it to change to a red color. So for example that. So can you see wherever it was less than 400, it's red. So for example, if this is 300, can you see it became red?
Yeah.
So that's conditional formatting. Why do we use it? So visually we can show the how the data looks rather than just numbers. Okay. So I've shown you 4 skills there. The first one was data bars. The second one was color scales. The third one was icon sets, and the fourth one was where I used this one, cell rules. I'm just going to stop this recording. But before I stop it, I need you to do this. So on your spreadsheet, obviously you're going to make your own version, and insert shapes text box. I want you to explain what are cell rules, the one that I just done on this. Okay, explain, and at the same time insert illustrations shapes. So I done cell rules on this one, didn't I? Yeah, and then I did Control C, Control V. I did data bars, yes, and then insert shapes, arrows. Where did I do the data bars? The first one, yeah. And then explain what are data bars, what does it show, and then Control V. I did what was the other one called? Color scales.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then explain color scales, insert shapes, color scales, and what was the last one? Icon sets. Okay. So today what we've looked at is conditional formatting, what it does and how we can use it, and insert shapes, arrow, explain what are icon sets, and that's the end of that video. I'm just going to stop it.
Bye.